for today's video, as you guys already saw from the thumbnail, I am going to be unboxing the Canon G7x camera. I'm super excited because I've been filming with my iPhone 7 for the past year now, and I decided to buy this camera because I want to have better content and for you guys, and also I just want to celebrate that how much I've grown this year, because in this month I uploaded my very first video and I think I've grown a lot from that video. I'll link it down below. It's not perfect and my videos still are not perfect, but I'm very proud because I'm a very shy person, and just being able to upload my very first video for people that I know and don't know to see is really crazy. So I decided to finally get this camera, and yeah, so if you'd like to see the review, just keep on watching. Okay, so I ordered my camera through Amazon. I will have that link down below if you're interested in purchasing it. I thought they had the best deal because I looked at Walmart and Best Buy and even Canon itself, and the best bundle and deal was through Amazon in my opinion. So I'll have that link down below if you're interested in buying it. But obviously in the bundle came in the camera, and it came in this box, and in the box you will find a charger, you will find a strap for it, your thing to recharge your battery, the battery, and the camera. I mean, this is my first time seeing it, so I'm super excited. Okay, and this is how it looks like. What made me buy this camera was because it has the reversible screen where you can see yourself. Like when you're filming, you can see how if everything's in focus and stuff. Like, it's not something you look into, but I know it's something you just have as to see, and it's perfect for vlogging as well. And I saw a bunch of reviews and everyone loves it, so, and including my friend, I'll link her YouTube account. Her name is Caro. She told me since last year to get it, and I was like, okay, I'll get it, but it's a little pricey, so I was like, I'll save up, or my phone's okay for now. So I finally got it, but this is how it looks like. It's all black. It doesn't seem too hard to use. And then let me show you what else came in the bundle. So in the bundle came this 7-inch spider tripod. So you can basically put it anywhere. You can just have it standing up, wrapped around a pole supposedly, but you can do all this with it. And has 360 pan head. It's very flexible. Besides the tripod, you also receive an extra battery, so that's great. So in the bundle I also got this little baggie, a light with a pen. I don't really know what this is for, maybe just to see if there's anything in your camera stuck. I got a little spray bottle, and sorry, I have all this stuff over there. And you also receive a flash drive. I think it's very good, and really important, because they're kind of expensive in a way, but it's great for your computer if you want. Yes, flash drive. Don't know what this size is. Oh, this is really cool. Okay, so you connect your camera on this side. Connect this part to your computer or the adapter, and then to your computer, and on this side you put your SD card. Yeah, it's really cool. And then you also receive this little deluxe starter kit, which has a lot of stuff actually. So it came with cleaning cloth, and then you also receive another super mini tripod, but you basically just it's just for your table, and I think it's the perfect height if you're doing something that's really low. So it's very bendable as well. So there's that. And then this, which is oh, this is really cool. You receive two. This is a screen protector, so you get two. That's really nice. I was actually gonna purchase some, but good thing I read the back. So I have two of those, and then you get a little thing for your SD cards, and then you get a cotton swab, and the best part is that you get a 64 gigabyte SD card. So you get all this for a little over $500. I know it's a lot of money, but it's pretty worth it. Okay, so I went ahead and took a little break. Meanwhile, I was just charging my battery and just getting the SD card inside here, which is super easy. You just basically switch this little thing to open, and you put the SD card here and the battery right there, and then you just put it back and just lock it up, just like so. Now it's time to turn it on. I'm super excited. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to mention, but this camera is also touchscreen, so it's really cool. So you can easily focus it, but I can already tell the quality is much better. It's much more bright and more detailed, and I'm excited for you guys to see this whole difference. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna switch my phone with my camera and I'll let you guys see the difference. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the camera quality. I'm so excited. I can already tell from the screen that everything looks much brighter, much more detailed, and there's way more detail here. And what I really like, it's very focused on my face, and I can tell like if I move around it's following me, which is so great. And I just have to get used to looking down there and not up there, because that's just for me to know if I'm in focus, if I'm centered and whatnot. But I can already tell this is gonna be such a good camera, and it's really simple to use. Like, I'm not the most techie person, or I don't know a whole ton about cameras, but I can tell this one's not gonna be too hard to figure out. But yeah, this is how it looks like. It looks so much better. But yeah, I'm so excited to make new videos for you guys with this camera. Let me know down below what kind of videos you guys would like. Any vlogs, DIYs, just let me know anything. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.